Hi guys! Papunta ako, bibili ako ng fresh seafood. Yan po, India Gate yan. Yan, dito lang po yung daan. Yan naman po yung kabayan. Yan.
باطق وراء ابو الساعه ولا حرف الضاد يمكن ما كملتش.
Init. Pawis ko tagaktak. Mainam na rin. Exercise. Yan po, Grand Hyper. Mas lakad lang po, dito lang. Yan, may nesto din dito. Yan, nangangamoy si ano na. Nangangamoy malansa na. Yan, dito na ako. Tabi lang po siya ng nesto. Ayan. Ay, salam brother. Ayan. Nakalingan mo laki. How much kilo this?
Only 1.5
1.5?
Some 1 kilo.
This is smaller, huh?
Just smaller 1 kilo.
My crabs. What about this pusit? You know pusit?
I know 1 kilo 750.
Oh, 1 kg 750 also. Ah. Yan mga tilapia. May maliit, may malaki din. Ito fresh ito.
Oh, salamat ka.
What about bangus? How much?
Angus 1 kilo 1 kilo 750. It's okay, stay there, stay there.
No. Okay. Welcome back. Nahanap ko yung sa moton. Ay. Itong target ko dito talaga. Payo. How much kilo, brother?
No, kilo.
Ay, per
300
piece?
one piece.
How much?
300 one piece.
300. Why? What about this? How much?
750.
Huh?
1 kilo. 750.
1 kilo, ha? Okay. What is this?
I don't know.
Same to same?
Sensible.
Oh, okay. Can I wait?
2, 3.
Yeah, this one. This one? Okay. Then no. This one?
Okay.
Too much hot. This one over there.
Okay.
Check how much. 750 lang daw. How much?
600.
Ha?
600.
600? No, you have another bones?
Other bit?
Ah, this one. Yala. Magsabaw ako ngayon. Mashallah. Check this one, add this one. Make full. Diba?
1 kg, 150.
Oh, okay. I will
What?
add, no, this one.
Okay.
How many pieces already? 3, huh? Make
Yeah.
4. How much?
Okay.
Okay.
I
Ayan guys, 1.5. 1.5 only, ha? Okay, brother.
cut
Yes.
2 to
Please.
63.
Yeah. Masarap din to guys. Masarap to. Masala, masarap din. Nasasabawan ko lang yung mga gulay. Gulay. Na. Ito lang yung shop nila, walang pangalan eh. Ito, tatabi ng mga fish. Fish yan, may barber. Yan. Naluto ko na siya ng laman kasi puro buto hatiin ko yan. Yes.
Good.
Yes. Mas mahal ang laman. 3 kg. How much kilo, brother?
3 kg, 700.
Oh. Ano yan siya? Indian mutton.
Ay,
They had.
mutton good.
Yeah. Okay. Ayan guys, nakabili na ako. Thank you guys for watching.